If aliens came to Earth and really wanted to eat you, would you say, no problem, and let them take a bite out of your mom and dad too? If you wouldn't want aliens to hurt you, then leave the animals alone. Don't eat them, don't wear them, don't use them, or take over their home. Leave the animals the fuck alone. So you want 5 reasons to be vegan. Well, I could give you way more than that, but we don't have enough time. And you have to do your research, just the same as we all did. I can give you 5 documentaries to watch, where you'll learn way more than 5 reasons. But will you actually watch them? Look, the bottom line is that you should be vegan because not being vegan is cruel. Do you want to hurt baby pigs? To pay people to put them in gas chambers at just 6 months old? If the answer is no, you don't want to hurt them, then there's the reason right there, because you don't want to hurt pigs. Do you believe in kidnapping? Most people don't, so don't drink milk. Because in the dairy industry, this cycle of violence, they kidnap the baby boy cows and murder them so adults can steal the milk, and so on. Check the label, check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, the animals will say, hooray! Go to howdoigovegan.com, sing it with me. Howdoigovegan.com, sing it again. Howdoigovegan.com, sing it with me. Howdoigovegan.com. Responding to comments today, and here's what you say. You seem to think that people cannot be vegan, and I'm wondering why you would think that. Because being vegan simply means being kind to the animals. Can you be kind to the animals? Yes, you can. Can you do your best not to exploit them? Yes, you can. Can you do your best when you're at a restaurant or at a store to choose the vegan options? Yes, you can. Everybody can be vegan because what it means is to be kind to animals. It's actually not about food. It's about choosing not to hurt them. Just do your best. So you want to know if it's okay for you to keep hurting animals. Because you want the choice to be able to do so. And you want my opinion about that. Well, I'm against hurting animals. I think that people should go to the stores and buy anything else. There's thousands of other things that people can eat there. And I think that animals should have the choice to live. And they all want to live. And I think that people should choose to be kinder and to be vegan and to start now. Did it ever occur to you that just because we're vegan doesn't necessarily mean that we have to agree on everything? Did it ever occur to you that we don't even have to vote for the same political parties? We don't have to agree on abortion. We don't have to agree on what school taxes should be or where stop signs should be. or what the legal drinking age should be. We don't have to agree on all of these things. So if I don't agree with you on one issue, I will discuss that specific issue with you, but not necessarily dismiss your entire character because of your choices. If you're not happy here, you don't have to follow me. This is an appeal to tradition fallacy. Just because something happened a long time ago doesn't mean that it's okay to do now. There are all kinds of traditions in the past that were wrong, such as slavery and abuse of women and abuse of all kinds of animals. When you go to McDonald's, you're paying somebody to keep an animal in a tight, confined space, enslaved, sad, scared, and in pain for their entire life. Every time you eat bacon, you pay somebody to put an animal in a gas chamber at just 6 months old. Baby pigs have a right to live and to not be bred in the first place. Their mothers have a right not to be raped, and you should be vegan from now on. Hi. So I see your comment. I guess you think it's funny to talk about violence. Maybe you're trying to hurt me personally. But surely you must have seen my comment section, filled with thousands of comments similar to yours. Did it ever occur to you that somebody here might have just lost a pet? Someone's cat might have died, or their dog, a guinea pig, a hamster, a gerbil, maybe somebody's beloved rabbit. Did it ever occur to you how cruel you are to everyone else as well? Animals are innocent, like children. They need protection. Save them now, save them now. Responding to comments today, here's what you say. Noah. Noah is an animal rights activist who is on TikTok, constantly sticking up for the animals. So thank you very much for your work, Noah, and thank you so much for your comment, reminding people to watch the important documentary, Dominion. Now, of course, there are many, many documentaries that we can choose from, but that seems to be one that really shows a lot of the realities of how the animals are treated. Now, I often meet adults who say to me, oh yeah, I know everything that goes on in the meat, dairy, and egg industries. I know all about it. And I say to them, actually, I don't think you do. Here's a documentary to make sure that you know. Oh, I don't want to watch it. It's too upsetting. That's what they say. Noah, I am proud of you.
Plants don't feel pain, they don't have a brain, they don't have a nervous system, so it's okay to bite into them. You have a heart, you know where to start. Share this song and be vegan from now on. Check the ingredients, do it right away. If it's not vegan, back the fuck away. Don't buy any eggs, any dairy, or any meat. Instead, go grab something vegan when you're thirsty or when you want to eat. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now.